All right. Happy Thursday, everyone. Been a little while since my last video. I was a bit disappointed actually because I made a long-winded video episode on a fascinating topic and I kind of flubbed it up. I left in some personal details, a couple documents in the background with addresses and things, and it was just a difficult ordeal trying to edit those out. So I might revisit that topic or see if I can somehow edit that video and re-upload it later perhaps. But right now, just thought I'd do a little unveiling. I already unboxed these items. There's a couple orders I got in over the last month or so. As far as my current buying, it's definitely slowed down. Been a lot of volatility in the physical market. So and I thought the stock market would go down. Of course, NASDAQ hit an all-time record high over 10,000 a couple days ago. So what do we got here? I guess you'd call it better bullion, as Uncle Sal likes to say. And it's interesting right now with the premiums. You know, American Silver Eagles, which I think I happen to have a couple out here. The American Silver Eagles are selling for around $25 an ounce. So you can actually find some, I guess you'd call them semi-numismatic coins for around the same price. So there were a couple coins I kind of was interested in, and we'll go through them here. I already showed you that one. So this one I thought was pretty cool. It's like a Double Dragon Perth Mint special. Excuse the burp, I've got a nice beverage here. Who doesn't like a nice summer ale? But yeah, this is a great coin. Double Dragons. It's the latest, I guess, in the series. They had the Phoenix and the Dragon and the Tiger and the Dragon. Similar to their coin bar this year, they had Double Dragons. Well, I guess they always had that. But yeah, you got the Pearl of Wisdom. I really don't know much about the lore. You got the P for Perth. Okay, so what I don't like about all of these and these other coins you see on the table, I don't like that design. I think they have this on the kookaburras usually too. It's just very bland. I don't like typically a highly polished proof-like surface on my coins. Not a huge fan of those generally. And Perth just does such an amazing job on the matte and the frosting. I would like the obverse to be more like this. And they've had some other coins like that. I don't know why they don't here. Not a huge gripe. But anyways, we got that one. What's this one? I'm not sure. Oh, yes, this one. I think this is actually, I take that back. This is the latest in the series. That was probably 2019. This is a 2020. I already forget what they call these things. It's like the Pikachu monster. Pikus or something. Pretty cool, though. And who hasn't seen these before? I think I've seen these at Chinese pagodas and whatnot. Statues. It's like a dog beast thing that likes precious metals. Sorry about the poor focus. I really like it. It's got that oriental border. And I guess these are some ancient Chinese coins there at the bottom with the hole. I've got terrible lighting here in my basement, so I apologize about that. I'm sure we're not getting great detail. But, oh, I guess there's like a micro letter on the bell. I doubt we could see it. Let's see. Yeah. But, yeah, so cool coin. Again, I don't like the way they've done. Their neck looks weird. Oh, that's a fingerprint. Yeah, I don't like that finish. Alright, what's the last one? Oh, yeah, we're already 5 minutes in. Bird of Paradise, it's okay. they do a lot of bird designs like this. They got those wedge-tail eagles, the geese. They all look kind of similar. I'm not crazy about it. I think they actually generally do a better job on their kookaburras as far as the design. That's 2018, wow. This was on sale on Bold Precious Metals, all of these. They were around 25 bucks each, so I figured just buy a couple examples. In my state, you have to spend $1,000 to get the tax break, so I was loading up the cart. Alright, so I've been buying a lot of these lately. I just couldn't help myself. They're Niue 2020 Boba Fett coins. I had a couple of the Darth Vaders. I wasn't really crazy about them. And I've got to say, this is, in my opinion, the best design by far. A really good job. And so I had to impulsively buy quite a few. I got a tube here, actually, of the Boba Fetts. Probably flip some of those. But yeah, these are cool. Really cool, man. Those R2-D2 coins. Tell you, man. Threw in some of these. These were a lot cheaper. At least I got some 2020 Britannias. Great coin, really. And here I am again saying I don't really love a polished finished, but I've come to accept them. They're all right. It's got that galoche. 2 pounds. Yep. Queen. Now these ones I found really curious and interesting. Couldn't help myself. Had to nab a few of these. The Serpent of Milan. And it's hard to show on camera, but it's really beautiful. These are made by a private mint. I think the Sunshine Mint. I could be wrong. Someone like that. But they did a great job. Samoa. So they have face value. Tutala. I wonder if that's a derivative of dollar. Like a German Thaler. Tala, hollaback now. I don't know. Could be like $2. $2. I thought that was pretty cool. But anyways, I love this. I'm going to call this the obverse. It's got the serpent. And I didn't know the backstory on it. But to me, it looked like like it was eating the patron saint of the city or something. It looked medieval. Let's see if I can get a close-up on it. Got my left hand, my shaky hand. Steady it. But apparently it says a child being eaten by the serpent. I thought it looked more like a medieval saint. Doesn't look like a child to me. So I really like it. It's got like stars on it. Like I said in the background, different surfaces, frosting. Really, there we go. Perfect right there. Really love this coin. It's supposed to be like that. The camera won't do it justice, but it really looks like a piece of jewelry. It's so intricate, ornate. The pattern, you don't see a pattern like that very often, but this will really spruce up your treasure chest. A couple of these. So that's what I did. I picked up a couple of them. Anyways, put those aside. Now here's one I didn't really have any of. I had the half-ounce version, but I had to get a 1 ouncer, so I got a couple of these. These are from Armenia, and I can't read their script. I guess it's, I don't know, close to Greek and Latin, Cyrillic, Noah's Ark. I guess that's the proper orientation. You got the ocean level. Some people really like these. I have to say they're pretty nice looking. Here we go. We got the coat of arms for Armenia. 500 dram. Now that's, I'm not an expert, but that's kind of a Greek derivative of the drachma. So yeah, the silver drachma or dram. That's why you have the bigger silver coins like a tetradram, I think a decadram. But pretty cool. 500 dram. I think this is 2015 maybe. And these are also made by a private mint. I don't respect that as much on a sovereign issue, but I think that was a German company. I'm sure you all know what mint that is. They do a good job. So that was a cool coin. Alright, we're 10 minutes in. We're really burning time. What else do we got? So these are really the star of the show. I haven't had a Germania coin yet. I thought they were way overpriced. They go on AppMex and all of a sudden their price jumps $5 every hour. So I held off. But these were on sale for around $25, I think a touch over on bold. And I like this design. 2019 Columbia, United States, USA. The beautiful woman on it. Germania. She doesn't look beautiful at this angle, but looks better in hand. Camera's not doing it justice, but they've got really nice finishes. Everybody's reviewed these before. The crackling, crackled ice, frosting on it, different layers. The German boar, German oak leaf, German double eagle, 5 marks. These are made in Poland, I believe. Yeah, I mean, if you get these closer to spot, I think they're nice. So I picked up, I think, 4 of those. Nice coins. And that's pretty much it. I don't have a whole much else to add. I picked up one of these. I haven't completed this set yet. The only one I'm currently missing right now is the White Lion of Mortimer, I think it's called. I just see these as bullion. And I think the Royal Mints improved their quality control. I know some of these had some issues early on, but really looking a lot better now. Well, I think that's about it. I could go on all day talking about coins, but I won't bore you. Until the next one, guys. Have a great afternoon.